our channel.
Guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is FemMNY, and for today's video I will be showing you guys how to make another beautiful balloon setup, and this time is gonna be a balloon swan. That said, I will inflate the 11 inches balloon first, and we will inflate it to 7 inches or 17.78 centimeter using our balloon sizer. So all our 11 inches balloon are all inflated to 7 inches or 17.78 centimeters. So we will put this on the side. So now we will inflate our 5 inches right here. We will inflate this to 4 inches or 10.16 centimeter, and there's 6 pieces. Alright guys, now we're ready to connect them together. So you have your duplet right here, and you attach them. Now it becomes quad, and now you have your duplet right here and a single. We'll make this into 3. Alright guys, so you have your bigger balloon right here. You put that on the base, and your 4 inches balloon, put it right on here. You grab your fishing line, you will tie it on your base. Then your 4 inches balloon, put it on top. Make sure it's gonna be in between. Give it a little push, and you shape it like figure 8. Just like that. So this will be our base. Okay, so I will cut right there and just wrap this around so it's securely in there. Now grab your other duplet right here. Again, you want to use your fishing line. Tie it to one of your quad. There it is. So there's the fishing line. You grab your 3 balloons, put it right on here, and then give it a little push and figure 8. So just like that. So one is in between and the other 2 is sitting right on there. Okay, so now you will attach your other quad. Same thing, figure 8. So just like that, and then you grab your base right here, you put this right on here, just like that. So this gap right here, this will sit right on your base. Before that, I'm gonna use another fishing line. I could have made that fishing line a lot longer earlier. So remember the gap right here, the gap, that's where you're gonna sit on your base. Okay. And then just attach this to your base. So you're gonna hide that in there. Side, we are ready to inflate our 260Q. So we have 7 pieces 260Q here. So I will stretch. To the tip right there. So 2 of them will inflate like this. So we'll attach this together. So we'll put this on the side for now, and then we'll inflate this. Tie the end right here. So you do this on all three 260Q. So find the half right here, and then just twist. We're ready to attach this. So this is the longest one we have. So this would be our neck right here. This would be the back side. So I'll put this right on here. So there. And then you need one of this. Same thing, I'll put this, it's gonna be like that. So I'll put it in between those two balloons here. Arrange them in place. So just like that for now, we'll put this on the side, and then we'll need another 260Q right here. I'm leaving the tip right here, just like that. So now we will shape like a letter S. So this one I'm gonna put it like that. And then the other side this way. So basically you want to shape it like that. Give it a little massage. Open it up, there you go. This would be our swan. But before we put this on, we will inflate another one. This is for the back. So this one, you don't want it too long. Right here, leaving that. And then I'll tie this here. So you want to grab your balloon here, the other two 5 inches balloon. So you attached it here. So this one right here, you'll attach this to the back. And then this one right here, you attached it on here. See the end right here of your balloon end, attach it to your other balloon, the end of your other balloon. And there you go guys, just arrange them so it looks like that. Front right there, on the side, and on the back right there. So this time we'll add some eyes right here. So there's the eyes. So guys, to finalize, so for the look, I'm gonna put this crown on the swan right there using our balloon glue dots. There you go guys, there's our balloon swan, and we added some flowers right there. So you can put this in a table centerpiece. Thank you guys for watching, and bye!